Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, Play Store updated, and you're signed into the right Google account. Open Google Play, tap your profile icon, then Settings to reach ad controls quickly. Once there, look for General Right Arrow Account and Device Preferences and Ads. These places hold the key toggles. Make sure to note which account is active because changes apply per account. By starting here, you act immediately on the system-level controls that reduce targeted ads. Next, you'll adjust both Google Ad controls and individual app settings. In Settings, right arrow Ads, turn off personalized ads, and reset your advertising ID to clear profiling data. This reduces targeted promotions. Then go to Android Settings, right arrow Apps to revoke permissions like location and microphone for apps that serve behavioral ads. Also, long press app icons to mute notifications or open app info and disable notifications. Finally, remove persistent offenders. Uninstall or disable apps that still display ads despite settings changes because some use in-app ad networks. If necessary, install a reputable ad blocker or configure DNS-level blocking via a private DNS provider to block ad domains system-wide. Once done, clear the Play Store cache and data, update the Play Store app, and restart your device to apply changes. If ads persist, make sure you adjusted the correct Google account and repeat the advertising ID reset as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.